Hi everyone, Yulianna is here. In this video, I want to share with you 7 different streams of income that anyone can build. Especially if you are more on the creative side, it's even better. It will be easier for you. If you are a student or stay-at-home mom or anyone who would like to have additional source of income, this video is for you. After moving to Canada, I didn't have any additional source of income. It was a super frustrated time. I don't want anyone to experience anything like this, and I'm sure if you are someone who lost a job and didn't have an additional source of income, you know what I mean. If I would knew this information that I will share with you today, in that time I would definitely use it. This video is more like for me in that time, who recently moved to a new country but didn't find a job yet, or simply who lost their source of income. Since that time I said to myself, I don't want anymore to depend only on one source of income. To have one job where I have my salary, and if something happens, like where I am, like what to do.
Oh, what to do.
I'm not sure where I will be in 5 or in 10 years, but I don't want again to start from zero. Therefore, I believe online is the best way to make money. It doesn't matter where you live now or where you will live in the future. You still continue making money. Okay, I think I don't need to explain more how important it is to have a couple of different sources of income. But if you will see statistics, unfortunately, an average person has only one source of income. And mostly it's their salary. In this not so economically stable world, especially during the time of pandemic, many companies are surviving. So anytime you can lose even that one source of income. I hope it will not happen to you. But I just want you to start thinking about your future and start planning some other scenarios in case it happens. The best way to have a bit more than only one source of income. Therefore, in this video, I gathered different business ideas that you can make money online, and it will bring for you a good passive income. While I was building my business, I decided actively to search for other ways to make money. At that time, I didn't have money to invest, to buy real estate or to invest in stock market. So I just wanted to invest my time to create something that can bring for me income over time. With time growing my business and different streams of income, my side hustles currently are bringing for me more money than my job in that time. So just do it slowly and smartly if this is a correct word. A very important suggestion to you. If you think that you are tired of your daily work from 9 to 5 and I want to quit it and start my business, please do it slowly. Don't cut everything and just switch to business because you don't have any income coming to you right now. Just try to build your business in your free time. When you will see that your income from your business covers your basic expenses, this is that perfect time when you can think about quitting your job and go fully into your business. So let's start talking about different sources of income. Number 1 is affiliate marketing website. As I mentioned before, when I moved to Canada, I didn't have any additional source of income. So I created a website, academyofhappylife.com. I started writing different articles there and making money from Google Ads when someone is simply browsing my website. And I make money from products if someone buys using my affiliate links too. I don't pay much attention to that website right now, and actually I didn't update any information there for quite a long time, but I still make money regularly. So I would like to explain for you how this affiliate links works. I didn't create those products, I just sign up for their partner programs, and if someone buys using my link, they will deal directly with that company about all purchasing details. But I will receive my commissions like a marketing agent who helps them to find a client. If you have a website, you can make money in different ways, directly from Google Ads or putting affiliate links in your website, or just writing some articles that people pay for you to write it and place it on your website. Or you can create your own products and you can simply sell it through your website. If you have too general website, it's really very hard to make money using this affiliate method. So the best way, if you have niche one, you can try a couple of niches and see which one works best for you, where you have more commission and making more money. If your article answers the most popular questions and there you offer some products that people can buy using your affiliate link, to help them to solve their problem, this is the best way to make money using affiliate link. But I recommend you be really honest and transparent with your readers. If you like some product, you can recommend it, but if you don't like some company or their products or services, better just don't mention it. Because reader feels it, and it will be not honest to recommend something just because you make money. I don't want my readers to have bad experience, therefore I'm really very careful with those products that I suggest to them. I must trust them, try it myself, and be really happy and satisfied with that product. So please think about your readers and treat them as your friends. I would like to share with you my experience. When I just started, everywhere on internet, Bluehost, the hosting company, was like one of the best and the cheapest hostings that you can ever find. And every blogger was recommending it and suggesting it. To be honest with you, I didn't know about it in that time. I thought, oh, how nice they are. They don't want to waste my time. They even inserted that link there, so it will be easier for me to buy. By the way, Bluehost pays around $75 per client. So in that time when I registered and bought a hosting from Bluehost, that blogger received 75 American dollars. Anyways, if you understood, I bought that hosting in that time, I built a website, and it was a nightmare, really. Like, website was too slow, I had continuously some problems with it, so shortly, I don't recommend to Bluehost. So if you want to start, please don't start with them. I wrote a couple of articles about different hosting companies, but I honestly shared my experience with Bluehost, and in the end I had to switch them to SiteGround. I am over 5 years with SiteGround right now, and I am very satisfied. All of my websites and my clients' websites are using only SiteGround now. By the way, if you are thinking about creating your own website, I will place the link below in the description so you can buy really trustworthy and good hosting. Commission which you can make using your affiliate links depends on products. Usually more expensive products, they have a bit less percentage in commission, but for example, if you recommend some tickets which cost over $1,000 and you will get like 1 or 2% of commission from it, you already will receive quite good amount of money. Or if you recommend some online course, usually you can get from 30 to 40%. So some courses are really expensive, so you can make really decent amount of money even selling one course. And you will receive readers to your website from Google search, or if you would like to market it even more, you can share that article in some specific Facebook groups, so you will have even more readers. Just remember, it should be very specific niche website. If it will be too generic, it will not work. If writing is not your strong part and you prefer to share your thoughts and your knowledge on camera, like I'm doing right now, creating a YouTube channel can be really a good idea. It is not a channel like this where I share my knowledge, my experience for free. It is more like a special review channel. I'm sure you have seen many like these channels. People share their reviews about some products, and in the description they insert their affiliate link. You can make money in a couple of ways here. Number one, directly from YouTube ads and recommending products and placing affiliate links in the descriptions, or directly working with advertisers. And third way, Rakuten referral program. I just started using it recently, and guys, it works. I read many great reviews about it and about that company, so I decided to try it myself. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any company mentioned here. It is only my own recommendations to you for free, so no worries, I don't get any commission mentioning these companies here. There are two ways you can make money and save money with Rakuten. You can make money using their referral program, and you can save money by getting a cashback from each purchase online. These websites find and applies coupon and even compares prices, so you get the best deal. You can install a plugin into your computer or just upload an app to your smartphone. I am using an app and it's much easier for me. When I want to buy something online, I just open it through their online app and just buy it. You can use it in different countries. They have the list of those countries in their website. But what I noticed is that it is very different price policies depending from which country you are opening it. If you use American version of the website, Rakuten.com, as soon as you join their website, you will get $10 bonus for your shopping. But if you join it from Canada using Canadian version of the website, Rakuten.ca, you will get only $5 bonus. But if you sign up to Rakuten using this link mentioned in the description, you will get at least $30 for your shopping as soon as you spend $30 online on anything. But it's so great because basically you have your shopping for free. You spend $30 and you received back that $30. Maybe if you will click it from America, maybe even you will receive $40. I don't know, I didn't test it yet, so please let me know in comments if it works this way. So the sweet part is their referral program. If you want to refer someone to American websites, they will pay for you $40 per referral. However, if you refer someone to the Canadian version of the website, they will pay for you only $30. So you can register to that program yourself and you will receive $10 into American website or $5 to Canadian website. Or you can use that link below, so you will receive $40 in America and $30 in Canada, at least for now, for these days that I'm recording this video. This is their conditions. I don't know how it will be later. You should double check it yourself. And once they register, you and them will get that bonus to your account. If you would like to make money on your referrals, you simply share your referral link on Facebook, and everyone who registers and make purchases, you make money on it. Important note, they need to make a purchase during 90 days or register with your link again. Then you buy something, like generally you buy it online, and you receive a cashback from $40 to $30 if you browse it in America or Canada, or you can check their policy about your country. It's really very easy way to make money, and it can be passive too. You can send this link to your friends, family and people who might sign up later, and you will receive your money later to your account. They have over 750 shops partnering with them only in Canada and hundreds of them in America. They pay you through PayPal account or by sending you a physical check. I am planning to use this service more frequently, so if you are interested about my experience, please let me know in comments and I will share it with you. If you would like to try it yourself, you can register yourself simply on Rakuten.com or .ca, or you can register using my link, so in that case you and me will receive some bonuses from them. Basically it's win-win. Next one, Teespring. This is a platform where you upload your designs and sell them to use them on different things such as t-shirts, leggings, cups and so on. There are many different apps where you can design your design. My favorite one is Canva.com. It's a free one. They have paid version, but you can do really great and very creative designs with a free version too, so I highly recommend for you to use it. All you need to do is to create some catchy, trendy designs that can be used on some things and then upload it on Teespring. It will create a virtual listing. People will come and buy it. They pay for the whole thing. Teespring prints it, ships it, takes care about customer service and just puts the profit into your account if someone uses your design. It's great because there are no startup costs. You will literally have some catchy idea, cool design and upload it on Teespring, and that's it. Everything else is done for you. You can come after work home, you can create a couple of designs each evening, and in a couple of weeks you will have hundreds of different designs, which will basically passively generate income to you. It's truly passive income because basically you create your design once, but you can sell it to many clients. Many customers can potentially use it in different things, and you will get your income each time that somebody buys it. Next one is very similar to previous one, merch on Amazon. If you created your design, you used it on Teespring, but it would be great to sell it somewhere else too. Anyways, you created it already. So Amazon is also having services on printing on demand. It is very similar to Teespring, but the great thing is that it is not exclusive. So basically the same design you can upload to Amazon too. And now you simply have a free traffic from people searching on Amazon, so they can buy your design there too. Amazon is much more popular than Teespring, so many of those people who buy on Amazon may have never heard of Teespring. So you have two different audiences who are willing to buy your design. It is completely free to start and add more and more designs. It's really very easy to start. Next one, similarly to Teespring and Amazon, there is another website called Redbubble. It is a similar print-on-demand company and again not exclusive. So you can use your design created once on 3 different websites to make money to you. You don't need to spend more time, you just need to upload the same design to different platforms. Now you have 3 sources of income with the same design. And the last one, selling courses. If you have some skills, knowledge or experience that you are willing to share with others, the best way is to create an online course. You do it once in details, then every time when you sell it again and again, it is your passive income. You can use different platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or some other platforms. There are many of them right now where you can publish your courses. They will market it for you, they will take care about your payments, customer service, everything. All you need to concentrate about is just to create the content for your course. Let's say you are good in photography. I mention this example really often in my different videos as I know it's my big part. I would love to know more about taking beautiful photos using my smartphone. So I think I will purchase some course soon, how to take beautiful photos using your smartphone, for example. So if you know how to do it, create that course, I will buy it. Or maybe you have some other tips or tricks how to edit those photos fast. Again, it's a great idea for an online course. You can create that course in the text, video or audio format, or you can combine some of them. You choose what's easier for you or what's suitable for your course. My suggestions for you, just try to diversify your income streams. They say that the average millionaire has 7 different streams of income. Okay, I don't want to say that those streams will make you a millionaire, even it might be possible. What I want to say is that try to have more than one source of income. Ways I mentioned in this video are great for everyone, as you don't need to have special knowledge or experience to start making money today. Just a bit of your time and effort. What I like the most about these ways is that all of them are passively making money for you. Having a regular job from 9 to 5 is not as safe as it looks in the beginning. One day you can simply wake up in the morning and receive a phone call that you are fired. I hope it's never happened, but you must have some additional sources of income. Of course, it is very recommended to have savings at least for 3 months, ideally for 6. If you are living from paycheck to paycheck, these additional sources of income can help you collect your savings. Think about your future. No one else will do it for you. Alright guys, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope it brought value to you. Please let me know in comments which additional streams of making money you have. Please press the like button and subscribe if you didn't do it yet. See you in my next video.